The YouTube landscape in the United States has never been more dynamic or influential than it is in 2025. At the very top, MrBeast stands unrivaled, recently shattering records by surpassing a staggering 400 million subscribers on his main channel, an achievement no other creator has matched. His content, famous for jaw-dropping challenges and philanthropic stunts, continues to redefine what's possible on the platform. Just look at his viral masterpiece, Would You Fly to Paris for a Baguette?, which has drawn in over 1.5 billion views and 56 million likes, cementing his place as a digital legend. Hot on his heels, Cocomelon, nursery rhymes commands the attention of families and young children everywhere. With over 195 million subscribers, Cocomelon's vibrant animations and catchy educational songs have made it a household staple. Meanwhile, Pinkfong's Baby Shark, Kids' Songs and Stories, follows closely, boasting 82 million subscribers and riding the wave of its global hit song. The diversity of American YouTube is on full display with channels like Eminem Music, drawing 65 million music lovers, and like Nastya, an imaginative blend of family vlogs and storytelling with over 114 million fans. DIY sensations like 5-minute crafts inspire creativity for 80 million crafty viewers, while sports enthusiasts flock to Dude Perfect for trick shots and laughs. But it's not just long-form content making waves. In the world of YouTube Shorts, Alan Chicken Chow has risen to the top, now among the 50 most subscribed global channels, thanks to his rapid-fire comedic sketches viewed hundreds of millions of times. Tech gurus like Marques Brownlee, food creators such as Tasty, and pet favorites like the Dodo round out a top 40 that reflects every interest imaginable. From education to entertainment, music to sports, the American YouTube scene in 2025 is a powerhouse of creativity and community, inspiring millions every single day.